Hi guys. I'm wearing different clothes because I'm gonna go somewhere. So anyways, there will be part 2. Because I always say part 2 and part 1. Oh, what the?
You're old.
I'm
Dati pwede kami.
not going to a funeral.
Or t-shirt na.
Mom, they want to...
Magandang t-shirt mo.
Guys, say hi to my mom. Mom, say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlog!
What the?
Lahat lang. Ha?
Everything's black. Everything's black. I'm not going to a funeral.
Just one na lang. Bagay na siya orange.
That is Mikoy's.
Yan natin yung may butas. Ano, nabuslot man. Yan na lang.
To? Every Christmas. Happy holiday. Like a
Congressman. Okay.
Cookie.
How can you answer me that way?
It's Mother's Day.
Say, what ho?
Okay. Mom, I can fly.
What's your shoes, Gabe?
Black.
You have black shoes pala? The one Tita Annette gave you. Diba?
Okay.
What's the one that Tita Annette gave you?
I don't know. Why is that black too?
You wear the long black socks. Where is it? Look. Fix your hand.
Okay, anyways, guys. Wait for part 2. Bye.
Black food ka, Gab?